Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to reset the airbag light on an Audi. This one specifically is Audi A3 2003 model. So stay with us to see how we're going to do that, and don't forget to subscribe for about 5 new videos every week. Okay, we are going to use VAGCOM 12.12. We got it on eBay. This is not the original version for I think $40, free shipping. It comes with the cable and the software. You have to make sure that you do not have internet connection and set your date back. It tells you all the specific details when you install the program. And now what you need to do, you need to go to options right here. You need to select USB, test, and you need to make sure it says port status OK, and then you click OK, save. And in order to do that, you have to have the key on all the way right before you start the vehicle to second position, so you have the lights on. And now we can go ahead to select control module right here, and we need to select the one for airbags, which is number 15. Okay, this is number 15 right here, and it's going to take a couple seconds to connect to the module and read all the information. And as you can see the number, the type of module and all that stuff, and now fault code right here. And we have that side airbag, igniter, driver's side, upper limit exceeded. And now we need to clear the codes. Are you sure you want to do that? Yes. No fault codes found, and they've been erased. Done, go back, and now we can close the control module. Okay guys, let's check now and see. Okay, and as you can see, the airbag light is not on. So that's it, that fixed the problem. Thank you for watching us, and don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.